Hey everybody, so listen, we are back another week. I know it's been a minute, but I am going to be doing a quick little tutorial on how to use hair paint wax to give yourself a natural highlight type color on some 4C black hair. So the very first step you're about to see me jump into, sorry, I am so low energy in this video, but listen, well, but we understand. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to establish where I want my part to be. So as you can see, I'm putting my part on this side right here. And after I get the part done, I'm just going to basically separate the rest of my hair into smaller, more manageable sections. So make sure your part is nice and crisp. And then we are going to get into sectioning off our hair. All I'm saying. Alright, so let's get into the products. I am using the Pantene Pro V Repair and Protect. I normally use the Moisture Renewal, but I'm using the Repair and Protect. It's also my favorite, the Eco Styler Gel, the Argan Oil one, which I think is really great. Of course, we have to use our hair paint wax, which is orange, but when it goes on to darker hair, it does give off a brown type of color. Of course, I'm going to be using my rat tail comb and my detangling brush that gives you more curl and definition. And the last and final product is, of course, my water. Now, I also like to use warm water just because I feel like it works for me. It works for my hair type. And also clips, just to kind of clip your hair to the side when you are styling your hair. Get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet, wet hair. Hey. So, no, for real. But actually, when you are doing this style, I like to get my hair as wet as possible before I do anything. And then I will go through my detangling brush and I will detangle it while it's really, really wet. I think it gives me better definition and it helps the curls last a little bit longer. So, of course, everyone's hair is a little bit different, but my hair is 4C, non-processed. So this is what helps me the best. Alright, now my next step is putting in the Pantene Pro V. I use not a generous amount because you don't want it to be flaky, but just enough as to where your hair is nice and coated. And then I'm going to go in with the Eco Styler Gel, which, as you can see right here, I put a little bit into my palm and then I will mix around and then evenly rake through my hair. I'm doing the finger rake method because, again, I think it gives me the best definition. And as you can see, I'm going in every direction I can go just so I can avoid some clumps and anything else that could possibly ruin my wash and go. All right, now it is time for the hair paint wax. As you can see, I'm going to take it and roll it into my hands just so that when I am raking it through my hair again, as it already has the Eco Styler Gel and the conditioner, that any part of my hand at no point will actually take any of the hair paint wax out of it. So that is my trick for everyone to do. I also am very generous with it, but not too much, so just so it won't get hard or clumpy or sticky. So a little goes a long way. Now that I am done, I like to get a little bit more of my Eco Styler Gel and just put a little bit at the ends of where my part is and around the edges, just so that my hair will still give curl everywhere it needs to be and it looks the best. Oh, it looks so angry. Oh my goodness. And then just, again, don't forget to go around your hairline, your ears, and everything else and wipe it down.